We are digging deeper into the Minnesota Department of Health numbers that we are hearing every day, the coronavirus numbers, cases, vaccination rates. If so many people are getting vaccinated, why are so many still dying? 15 Minnesotans died from COVID-19 since yesterday. Minnesota Department of Health saying more and more younger people are getting the virus as well. Rachel Mills joins us now with more with the new group currently at a greater risk.
We are all excited about getting back to normal, hoping the pandemic is going away, shutting our masks. But people are still getting sick and dying in Minnesota every day from COVID-19. The MDH says because vaccination efforts began with older populations and those in long-term care facilities, those over 60 are more likely to be vaccinated now and safe. This means younger people or those who refuse to get the shots are actually at greater risk of contracting COVID and having more severe symptoms or death.
People, thought, oh, it's really the much older folks that are getting hospitalized. We saw a decade reduction in the average age of our hospitalized patients. So going from 68 in November to 58 this spring, and then in the span of a month, we saw that drop to 57.
Kris Ehresmann, director of infectious disease at MDH, says people who haven't been vaccinated are far more likely to be hospitalized or die from COVID. And a majority of the deaths we see every day are unvaccinated Minnesotans. Ehresmann says even though the mask mandates have changed, this virus is still taking lives, and there's lots we can do to prevent that, like masking if you're not vaccinated or getting vaccinated if you haven't yet.
If you haven't taken advantage of getting vaccinated yet, there aren't any lines. You're able to walk up. Most pharmacies have vaccines available. Healthcare providers have vaccines and appointments. So encourage you to take advantage of that. But there should not be any difficulties getting vaccine right now.
Here in Olmsted County, we've only seen 2 deaths since vaccination efforts began in late December. And remember, there are still many children under the age of 12 who can't get vaccinated. We are still waiting for approval of a safe vaccine for them. In Rochester, Rachel Mills, ABC 6 News.